Why do I need to learn math anyway?
Oh man, you know what I'm good at? Drawing adorable creatures. No math required. Just an open mind. And some colorful markers. This is way more useful anyway. Just look how cute! And just like that, ta-da! And I ain't done yet. It just need one more little step. There, all done here. Isn't it adorable? See? Hey, check it out!
Aw, cute cat.
Not just any cat. Hungry?
No way.
And addition? He's got it.
For real? That was incredible. Thanks a lot, friend. You're the best.
Aw, thanks. Want to see something cool? Yep, I always get what I want. See what I mean? I wonder what else I can get. Yikes! I spent all my money! I didn't even realize. But wait! Oh, hey! Can we move some money around? I love a quick deal. Here you go. Who needs paper money anyway? Treating yourself is always the move.
Jeez. Whatever floats your boat.
Alrighty. Hello? Just one, please. You're the best. Thanks. Just 1 second here. I'm dry as a desert. No, this can't be happening.
That's a shame. I gotcha. Snip, snip. If you need more money, you have to be resourceful. And I've got plenty of cardboard, but it's not worth much yet. First step, done. Now for step 2. Shout out to the dude who invented the wheel. You're a real one. Yes. In you go. Pretty nifty, right? Oh, Cody.
What's that?
Wouldn't you like to know? Need some cash?
That was sick.
I thought you'd think so. It's all yours.
Thank you. 1 Coke, please. Here you go. All right.
My money, my soda.
Hey, I'll take it.
What up, fam? Ready for a cool cat test?
Oh, I get it. I got this.
No ruler, no problem.
So messy.
Okay, getting somewhere. Just a few more rips here. Okay, whatever. I got this.
Are you sure about that, Mindy?
And I'm done, people.
What in the world is that? 'Cause it doesn't look like a cat.
A for effort?
All right. What's with all the scraps? Don't worry, I have an idea. I just need a little cardboard, also known as the wonder material. And when you add some glue to the mix, the possibilities are endless. Stick it right on. Here's where things get interesting. Wheels, anyone? And some careful folds. Can't forget some fringe. That's perfect. Let's bring this bad boy to life. With a smile, see? Check it out. Look, I figured you needed some help.
Did you just do that?
Someone's got to get the trash.
Thanks.
Very nice.
Well,
Hold on, I'm all done.
yeah, you are.
What about me?
Oh, yep, also good. Well done, class.
Oh my! Nothing like fresh flowers. Settle down, class.
Oh,
My. Oh, is that me? Hello? Yes, I got them.
time is of the essence.
Oh yeah.
It's on. Ha!
Fight!
Take that. You're going down.
Hey, watch it.
Oh, yeah? Hey!
Too fast for ya? Plane incoming!
Gah! Ha ha!
I'm done playing nice. Watch out!
I don't think so. Oh boy. No!
Her flowers.
Think she'll be mad?
Well,
Plagues on both your houses. You shall never find happiness again.
it wasn't on purpose.
Don't hurt us! We have to do something!
I know. Hey, don't worry. I got this. Just watch and be amazed. The teacher needs a vase? Then that's what we'll give her. Cool, but I'm not quite finished yet. I wouldn't give her plain cardboard, would I? That's why this one's good as gold. So pretty. All it's missing are flowers. See? Time to make the switch. In you go. Phew. We're good, trust me.
Aw, love you too, Pumpkin. No, you are.
Did she notice?
Roses are my favorite.
Thank goodness!
Just keep working, okay?
Oh, what a relief!
Watch very closely, okay? And take careful notes. If S equals 1, but you carry this over here, what does V equal?
Not now. I need ink, people. I'm getting behind. Come on, come on. I need a new pen. Better than nothing. If only he'd slow down. Seriously? This can't be happening. None of these will work. I just need a stupid pen. Gah! These are all useless. Ugh.
Huh? She needs a pen. What about a pencil? Oh, yeah! Need this?
Thanks. Finally. No! I'm cursed. Ugh, I give up.
All right, finished.
Huh? You okay over there? Yikes! That's a bummer. But I can help. Wait for it. Ha-ha! I love a cozy home, don't you? Can't forget the roof. Perfect. Well, almost. But it still doesn't solve our little problem. But it will soon. Ta-da! Come right on in. Enter at your own risk. It's sharp in here. Almost. There. Good as new. Hey, still need a pencil? Got you covered.
Not bad. Let's go! Seriously? Did I just do that?
Need this?
Oh, I do! Right in here? Sweet! Thanks a lot.
Easy, right? Wait! I need to start over.
What?
Worst Monday ever.
So bored.
Tell me about it. Oh, I could use a little pick-me-up. Not bad.
Hey, wanna try? It's hard.
I bet I could do it. Just match the colors, right? Piece of cake. See?
Impressive. But what about chess? Well,
Chess? I can play this in my sleep.
you sure?
Yep. I know what I'm doing. Don't take it personally.
Oh yeah?
No thanks.
But mine.
I don't think so.
Ugh, I have to win.
No, I've got this. And that's how it's done.
You think you're so smart? Take that! I'm smart too, you know. Just watch. I hope you're taking notes, genius. 'Cause when it comes to crafts, I'm queen. Chess? Rubik's Cube? Who cares? This thing's about to blow your mind. And it's very personal. See? Hey, Cody! You like puzzles? This is gonna be so good. Let's see him solve this one. What do you say? Up for it?
A puzzle? That's child's play. I mean,
Missing something?
huh?
It's probably easier with this.
Oh,
Too funny. Anybody thirsty? I know I am. Hey, want some?
it's hot today. Aw. Hey, for Cody? It's for me? Thank you.
You'd better be reading, kids.
Huh? All right, all right. Back to business. I'd better get organized.
Oh, yep, me too. Just give me 1 second here. There.
Huh? For real?
You listening? Okay.
Oh, got it. I'm ready. But this pen is not. Ugh. It was my water cup. Can't drink that anymore. Why did I do that?
Oops. Say less. I think you need a little help, bro. No more mushy markers for you. I'll get you a little very dry helper. And he's averific. You'll see what I mean soon. Just trust me here. Isn't he incredible? Not to be confused with your water cup.
Wow!
I know. Not for trash. It's for your pens, okay? You're welcome. Now, where was I?